Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix error 0x800700e1 on Windows 11 using simple steps. This error usually happens when Windows thinks a file is dangerous and blocks it during copy, transfer, or backup. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Open the app from the results. Inside Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection from the left side. Scroll down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click on Manage Settings. Find Real-Time Protection and turn it off. When Windows asks for permission, click Yes. This is a temporary step. Now try the action that was failing before, such as copying the file. In most cases, the error will be gone. Once the task is complete, go back to the same settings and turn real-time protection back on to keep your system protected. If you trust the file, you can avoid this issue in the future by adding it as an exception. In Virus and Threat Protection settings, open Exclusions and add the trusted file or folder there. If you are using another antivirus like Avast or any third-party software, it may conflict with Windows Defender. Try turning that antivirus off temporarily and test again. You should also check for corrupted system files. Right-click the Start menu and open Command Prompt or Windows Terminal as administrator. Type SFC, Scano, and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish, then restart your computer. These steps should help you fix error X800700E1 on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.